Where's the fun part in your life?
I'm having fun right now. I love what I do. Most of you in this audience don't like what you do. That's why, with the greatest respect, that's why Michael can help you. Most of the people on the 87, Gallup poll did a survey in 2016. 87% of the people on the planet, not counting all the Biafra, Ghana, Kenya kind of countries, 87% of the planet hate what they do. High performance people fly like eagles. Eagles fly alone. Zuckerberg has no mates. Elon Musk has no mates. Steve Jobs had no mates. Bill Gates has no mates. And I can go on and on and on and on. They don't hang. They don't chill. They don't go to the Super Bowl. They don't go to the World Cup. They don't go to Wimbledon. All they do is work. I fall into that category.